boys and girls, let's practice our letter factory sounds. Here we go. The A says ah, and the B says ba-ba-ba-ba. The C says k, and the D says d. The E says eh, and the F says f. The G says g, and the H says h, h, h. The I says I, and the J says j. The K says k, and the L says oh, 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 oh. The M says and the N says The O says ah, 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 ah. And the P says p. The Q says qu, and the R says r. The S says s, and the T says t, t, t. The U says and the V says v. The W says w, 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 and the X says x. The Y says ya, and the Z says z. And those are all the letters in the factory. If you practice, it's not hard to learn your alphabet. Every letter makes a sound. What you hear is what you get. Oh yeah.